Yeah, the iQOO 15. In this video, we're going to discuss about this mobile. Without any further ado, this mobile comes with a 6.82 inches of bigger 144 Hz refresh rate supported, Dolby Vision supported, LTPO AMOLED display, and this mobile comes with a protection. There is a Scott Sensation next generation glass protection. When we talk about this mobile's processor from iQOO 13 to iQOO 15, this is a true successor for the iQOO 13, that this mobile is going to come with the true successor of Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 8 Elite, that is a 8 Elite Gen 5. So these what's the special thing about this 8 Gen 5 is that this mobile comes with all the performance cores and 2 prime cores, basically 6 plus 2 octa-core processor, and it is a 5G 3nm based powerful processor. And when we talk about the memory variants, right now this mobile is available in 2 variants. Those are 12GB RAM 256 and 16GB RAM 512GB internal storage variants. Now these are going to be UFS 4.1 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5X Ultra Plus RAM. Yeah. When we talk about this power packed mobiles cameras, this mobile is going to come with a triple rear cameras where we can find a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with f1.9 aperture and a 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera with f2.1 aperture and a 50 megapixels of telephoto periscopic zoom camera which has a f2.7 aperture. Now this mobile is going to support 8K 30fps with the back camera. For the front, it is going to come with a 32 megapixels of front facing selfie camera which supports 4K 60fps. And when we talk about this mobile's battery, this is the huge improvement from the previous model, that this mobile is going to come with a 7000 milliampere of huge battery, and it supports 100 watts of fast charge through wire. And also this mobile is going to come with a feature that does not have in the previous generation iQOO 13 mobile, that is it supports wireless charging up to 40 watts. Yes, that's a plus thing which was added in this generation. And there is one more biggest improvement which was a bit of a bummer from all the generations till the iQOO 13, that is the operating system. Even though we purchased the mobile with like 70,000 or 1 lakh like Vivo X series mobiles, we always get the Fun Touch OS. Now it is removed, and now from out of the box this mobile is going to come to the Android version 16 with Origin OS 6. Yes, this has a lot of cool features and I will review them personally, and after buying this mobile, which I am planning to buy soon, so I will review them and I will tell you what are those features, excited features. And when we talk about this mobile's other features like multimedia, this mobile comes with a stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jack, and this mobile also comes with a IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistant proof. And this mobile is also going to comes with a metal frame and front and back glasses. This mobile is available in 2 colors, the legend color and also a black color. I will leave the link to buy this mobile in the description box down below. You can always go and buy it from there. By the way, if you are watching the video till now, hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon. So that's the thing about the subscription. And when we talk about the other features of this mobile comes with the latest features such as when we talk about the connectivity, it comes with the Wi-Fi 7 tri-band Wi-Fi support, Bluetooth 6.0 which was improved from Bluetooth 5.4 to Bluetooth 6.0, and NFC. And it also comes with all the sensors like gyroscope, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass, everything. And this mobile comes with a charging port which supports USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 1, so you can stream the games from this mobile itself. When we talk about this mobile's other features, like this mobile comes with a in-display fingerprint scanner and stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jack like I already said. And when we talk about the box contents of this mobile is going to come with a charger, the 100-watt charger brick inside the box of the mobile, and Type-C cable and SIM ejector tool and the TPU case, basically the white color case of this mobile. So all the things you will get inside the box of this mobile. So when we talk about the price of this mobile, yeah, which is the thing which we need to know, that but the time right now I am shooting this video is 22nd November. So till now I don't know the price, but we can pre-book this mobile with 1,000 rupees if you want to buy this mobile without knowing the price. But by the time this mobile might posted, this video might be posted into YouTube, I have already know the maybe the price. So this is the price. And also this mobile is going to retain the feature which is a halo light, which is the effect of the which we seen in the iQOO 13 in the last generation. That is a halo light. The camera module has a light, so that is also included in the box of in this mobile itself. So that's